What is it meant for?
Ashina.
Ashina.
Ṣé
Use the body parts.
ló síbẹ̀ yẹn?
Olóńgbò àtàṣí láti.
Àtẹ̀yìn ara.
Okay.
Take it out of that. We are still a physical that will be a challenge. No, you can just come back.
Ẹ máa bá wa wo ìkànnì Profession Entertainment PSC TV. Ìgbádùn yín ló jẹ wá lógún.
Finally, Fado, a friend of mine, told me he needs the head.
You have
He needs a head.
head of.
Head of dead somebody.
Okay.
Okay, so on my wake up, so that very day, they are fighting at the community, all because of cows. So I was unable to stay in the office. So on my way back, me, meaning Ifado, he has beat him a jam.
Does it mean you left him here with me?
Yes. No, Ni met him in my office.
Okay, you left him here.
Yes.
You went out to inform me that he's here.
Yes.
So what now happened? Lee now came here.
Yes. Lee came here and killed him. So
Killed him with what?
With he first jammed him with Oruka.
Okay.
So after, now killed him.
How did you kill him?
So I wasn't there then, sir. So because I was at the community fighting for my cows.
Listen. Yes, at this stage, what I'm doing is for you to let us know, you made a graphic picture of what happened. This is your office. You called him, he came here.
Yes.
You invited me.
Yes.
To meet him here.
Yes.
Because it cannot be easy for one person to slaughter and dismember human body.
He beats him a jams. Okay. He beats him a jams, which is called the Oruka. Okay. So that is when he has an opportunity to work on him. So he later killed him. He's in the office now. He later killed him. So that is when I came. So I called his number severally.
Called whose person's number?
Niji. It's called.
You didn't wait for him here. Yes. After killing him, you didn't wait?
I'm still waiting for him because I don't know he has done so.
Okay, where were you when you were waiting?
I'm in the community.
Okay.
I'm in the community fighting for cows. They were eating.
Yes, is cow more important than human body that you want to deal with? Okay. Where are the parts now? Where do you keep the parts?
Okay. He took the head and
for free.
No, he gave me money.
He paid you?
Yes.
How much did he pay?
100,000.
Head and which other part?
And hand.
The hands.
Yes.
For 100,000.
Yes, sir.
Where are the other parts?
The other part is at the back.
Can you lead us there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it out of that. We are still a physical that will be a challenge. No, you can just come back. Pull down the sack. Huh? Let's pull out the sack. So which parts are these?
Leg.
The leg. The leg and what?
The part of the body that is there, not me.
So what of the cover? What of the knives and the cutlass?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, take it out.
Take.
Parts. So, before the war before.
Other ones, but like slow dry.
The dry air belongs to him. Where did he go?
This one, and the Baba it's called Fire.
In the very gruesome scene of, I don't know what to call it, but what's your reaction to what you've seen so far?
It's a clear case of mass inhumanity to man. A barbaric and a callous situation. What happened was on the 8th of November, we received a report of missing person. One Exhume Salami claimed that his son, one called this Salami, 18 years of age, left their residence and has since not returned. The matter was handed over to our anti-courtesan, the command's anti-kidnapping team, who on technical intelligence recovered the phone of the missing person. Further analysis of the phone took us to this place, which happens to be the residence office of the principal, Exhume Salami. He claimed he admitted inviting the missing person to his office on the said date. The connivance with one Niyi Ifado, they both hit the missing person with some object, thereafter slaughtered and dismembered his body. The head and the two wrists was sold to his partner, Niyi Ifado, for the sum of 100,000. He was using some other parts, and the remaining is buried in the shallow grave that he just covered. This is a very disturbing situation. And we have been recording cases of missing persons. And I think this we need to do more on this, because the truth is that it's a mere falla, it's a fabu that somebody can make money out of human parts. But they don't seem to know. They go on with this delusion and just waste innocent lives. The investigation is ongoing. We'll get to the root of the matter, and as we progress, we'll always keep you informed.
During the end of the year, November, December, when under Ogun State to the entire citizens and residents of the state?
Generally, crime rate is always very high during ember months. That is why police too will always increase our visibility, patrols and everything to contain the crime trend. My appeal to all residents of the state is to always watch their back and be mindful and suspicious of any abnormal movement within and around them. And additionally, they should always put their children, their parents, their friends in the know of wherever they intend to go or which person they are associating with. Above all, we should avoid night and night movement and relationship on the phones, on the line, on the online relationship. Oftentimes it portends a lot of danger. We should all be wary of it.
So what will be the response of the police? What are they doing, or what will be in plan for the police force as to cope this incident?
It is going to be more of advocacy, because this now is something that is normally done in the corner. Imagine this kind of location, very lonely, especially in the outskirts. Something like this happens, it will, if not for the fact that we are sure that something is wrong somewhere from the story of the victim's parents, and by God's grace, with support of God and the concerted effort of the command, we are able to get to this. But he's going to talk because at least he had admitted selling 2 other heirs to somebody previously. So the matter is just starting. We'll get to the root.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
These are not shrine. Come inside, you cannot do anything. Come inside, you cannot do anything.
You are not right here.
We are better here before. You see her come, she can walk there.
I'm looking.
What is it meant for?
Ashina.
Ashina.
Ṣé
Remove the body parts.
ló síbẹ̀ yẹn?
Olóńgbò àti Ashina ti.
Àtẹ̀yìn rárá.
Remove it and bring it back now. Fọwọ́ ara ẹ̀ gbé kó wọn gbé bọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ láwọn. Wọ́n ló gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ jáde. Káwọn tó wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ sí lẹ́lẹ̀.
Kọ́n sí ìwé ṣe lè ìtaná máa ń pè é ìwé iṣẹ́ ni iṣẹ́ ẹ̀kan ni inú ilé láti ṣe. Epo sórí kò sọ fún mi lé.
Ìwọ ògùn sìmẹ́ntì lé lórí.
Gbé náà ìwà kẹfẹ́ ìtàn sínú.
Before I bring that light, you can go down and see you.
Ṣé wọ́n bá tó mẹ́rin ẹ̀ ti lè dùn sínú?
Wọ́n bá mi gbẹ. Wọ́n bá mi gbẹ.
Ta ló bẹ gbé?
Ẹni tó máa ń bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ ni.
Táwọn ẹni yẹn.
Ayé ṣòro. Ayé ṣòro.
Ní bó ti ṣe.
Wọ́n máa ń wá sádùúgbò mi náà.
Gbogbo ilẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa gbẹ̀ wọn ló máa ń gbẹ̀.
Ló máa ń bá mi ṣe.
Tó ló bẹ gbé ibi tó gbé sílẹ̀? Àmì ètò ti ṣe tó ti bẹ́rì. Àwọn tó bẹ́rì sí ẹnu ọ̀nà ọ́fíìsì ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọ̀rò yìí. Wọ́n tó wà mí.
Biola lórúkọ mi.
Biola what?
Usman.
Biola Usman.
Má ṣe ń lẹ.
Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ ń pa gbogbo nǹkan tó kọ yín ṣe yìí?
Mi mọ̀ ń pẹ́ sá. Mi mọ̀ ń pa ẹ́.
Ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé bí gbogbo àdúgbò ṣe ń rùn yìí, ṣe máa ní pé ẹ mọ̀ ń pé nǹkan kan rùn ládùúgbò.
Mi mọ̀ ń pẹ́ sá, mi máa ń gbóòórùn, mi gbóòórùn kankan. Ṣé tí mo bá gbóòórùn ni ṣé mi ti ní pariwo fàyè ni mi gbóòórùn kankan. Ẹbí lérè bó ṣe máa ń ṣe.
Ṣé nǹkan tó bá lọ́wọ́ ọkọ yín ṣé nǹkan tó dáa ni?
Kì í ṣe nǹkan tó dáa, kò dáa. kò dá mi bá lọ́wọ́ sí i mi mọ̀ sí i.
Ẹ wá fẹ́ kí àwọn ìjọba àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá kọ́ ṣe báyìí.
Ìdájọ́ tó bá tọ́ nìkan ṣe fún o ṣùgbọ́n mi ò mọ̀ sí i mi mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ń pa ẹ́ mi mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ń pa ẹ́.
Iṣẹ́ kí lọ́kọ yín ṣe kankan?
Iṣẹ́ fóònù ló ń tà ńgbà tèmi fẹ́ fóònù ló ń tà.
So fóònù yẹn ló fi kọ́ gbogbo ilé yẹn?
Irọ́ iye fóònù ló fi kọ́ ilé ìgbà tí ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ babaláwo yìí ló ṣe kọ́ àwọn ilé tó kọ́.
Láàárín ìgbà mélòó sí ìgbà mélòó ni wọ́n fi kọ́ ilé?
Ó lọ bí ọdún 5.
Ọmọ ògbólẹ̀ yín?
Ọmọ Ọ̀ṣun ni mí mi mọ yẹn kankan bí.
Èyí tó ọmọ ọdún mélòó wà?
43.
43. Ọmọ mélòó la sì bí báyìí?
2 ni mo bí fún.
Bàbá kàrí ta ni? Bàbá kàrí ta ni?
Èmi kọ́ ni mo bí Mubaraki ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó bí Mubaraki fún wa tó bí mo bí Mubaraki fún iṣẹ́ mi nìkan ló fẹ́.
Okay, you're good.
Good English.
How long have you been into this babalawo work?
Since 2020.
And how often do you involve in this kind of ritual killings?
I've not done it before.
Speak louder, please.
I've not done it before.
So you're saying this is the first time that you'll be doing
Yes.
this? And how many people have you killed here?
I've not killed anybody yet.
So who killed somebody here?
Yes, if I do.
So what you have done so far and everything that we've seen here, what's your own defense?
I don't understand, sir.
What do you have to say about everything that is happening here?
Okay. I pray God should forgive me. God should forgive me. And if God give me an opportunity not to do this again, I won't repeat this anymore.
Fine, other question.
Any questions?
Yeah, good.
ẹ máa bá wa wo ìkànnì Profession Entertainment PSC TV ìgbádùn yín ló jẹ wá lógún.